realize what you might think, but just give me a moment. Hey, where'd they go? Tell all your friends and your neighbors too. A creepy crawly bunch is coming straight to you.
I hear they play guitar
and the tambourine. I think I hear them coming, make a big old scene. They're the loudest band around. Yeah, they're coming to your town. The people there are talking about cicadas, 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 cicadas. I've been living in the dark for 17 years. Left inside from tree roots, can't you tell by my sneer? When it's time to emerge, we all gather in the trees. Call it a swarm if you prefer, there's no mistaking me. Go tell all your friends and your neighbors too. When springtime arrives, we'll be surrounding you. We've been living underground for 17 years, and when we emerge, you won't believe you're here. And they'll be selling tickets to the very next show.
That is not true.
Yeah, alright, but you should listen though. Cicadas, 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 cicadas. Coolest band around, yeah, they're coming to your town. Well, they're talking about the males will all call out, just listen when it's late. They're letting ladies know they are ready for a date. After 5 weeks or so, the stories will end, but eggs are surely left behind, the cycle starts again.